and this is convex lens. Now, this is the structure of human eye. The eye consists of this lens. This is convex lens. This is the retina. Here the image is formed. So now, the first defect is myopia or nearsightedness. It occurs when the eye loses its ability to focus on far object. As the lens do not possess a long focal length, objects that are near are clearly visible to the patients. The image is formed before retina. Here the image is formed when the myopic eye, and it can be corrected by using concave lens of a suitable power, and this is a concave lens. This is correction lens, concave lens. So now here you see that the image is formed in here retina. This is concave lens. So now the next defect of human eye is hypermetropia or farsightedness. It occurs when the eye loses its ability to focus on near-off object, as the lenses do not possess a short focal length. Objects that are near that are not clearly visible to patients. The image is formed behind the retina. Behind the retina means here. And it can be corrected by using a convex lens of a suitable power. This is a convex lens. As using this, hypermetropic eye can be corrected. The image will form here using convex lens will form here that retina. Now the next defect is astigmatism. It is an optical defect that blurs the vision. It is caused by deviation from the spherical curvature, which results in distorted images, as light rays are prevented from meeting at common focus. It can be corrected by using cylindrical lenses. Next defect is presbyopia. It is caused by the hardening of lens of our eye, which occurs with aging, as our lens becomes less flexible and it can no longer change shape to focus on close-up images. As a result, these images occur out of the focus, and it can be corrected by using a bifocal lens. Last one is cataract. It is caused due to aging, in which the lens becomes cloudy, and it is corrected by a surgery.
अगर आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन को जरूर दबाइए ताकि आपको हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियो की जानकारी मिलती रहे।